Create product description with Jasper.ai. First of all, you will go from the main page to the left to create the content. Then in the library, you will choose product marketing on the left side and choose product description here and click on the use button. Then you will on the left side put there the description of your product. So for example, I will put there the name of the product, click on the next one. I can put there key features, or I can generate the response with AI and the structure. And I can also generate the response here. So I will just generate it and click on the next button. And after that, I'll click on the generate now, and it will create a full product description for my service, with everything in it, from the introduction, main body with different parts, to the conclusion. Everything with Jasper.ai. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.